Hey there! Today we're going to show you how to use Mockup on a mobile device. First thing is to choose the view you want to use. Each Mockup set comes with 4 views, 2 front and 2 back. There's a couple ways you can change the view of your Mockup. Firstly, there are the thumbnails below the editor window. Simply click or tap on the view you want and the Mockup will appear in the editor. You can switch between views without losing any of your work, so don't stress about that. The second way is to click or tap back and forth on these arrows here. Once you've chosen a view, it's time to add a design. The first step is to go ahead and delete the sample design included on the Mockup. Then, to add your design, come across to the plus icon here. You can drag and drop your artwork onto this window if you're using a laptop or desktop. If you're on a tablet or mobile, tap here and select your artwork from the location you want to use. I've got a design here ready to go, so I'm going to use that one. Make sure that the artwork you choose is a PNG with a transparent background. The artwork will be placed onto the Mockup automatically. Now you just need to resize it and place it where you want. To resize, make sure the artwork is selected and you'll see this icon in the bottom right. Click or tap that and resize as you wish. Once you're happy with the placement, it's time to pick a color for your Mockup. To choose a color, make sure the layers window is open and click or tap on the color tile next to the shirt color layer. This will open up the color palette available for that item. If you're looking for a specific color, they are all listed in alphabetical order. Once you find the one you want, click or tap on it to select it. Some Mockups also have unique fabric textures that you can apply. So once you have selected your color, come across to and click or tap the fabrics icon. You'll now be presented with the unique fabrics for this Mockup set. Some products will have options for heather, slub, mineral wash or marble, but today we're going with the tri-blend, so click or tap on that one. After that, you can now see that the Mockup has a nice heather texture applied to the whole garment. This process is exactly the same for the different unique fabrics that we have available. You can then pick a background color if you wish. To change the background color for your Mockups, you need to go across to the background color layer and click or tap on the color tile to the left of the color name. This will open up the color picker window. Here you can pick any color you like. Once you finish creating your Mockup, you'll need to save and download it so that you can use it. To do this, all you need to do is click or tap on the download icon here and select the file type you would like to download. There's also an option to download all of your views at once in one file, or you can choose to export only the current view. And that's how you use Mockup on a mobile device. If you have any other questions, please check out our FAQs, our other how-to videos, or reach out to us via email or our live chat. Thank you again for choosing Mockup.